Thank you, Mr. President. Distinguished colleagues, I rise to sponsor concurrent resolution number 3, reconstituting the Philippine Congress Bangsamoro Parliament Forum, or PCBPF. Created under Republic Act 11054, otherwise known as the Organic Law for the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, the PCBPF serves as a permanent platform for cooperation between the national government and the Bangsamoro Parliament in the exercise of their respective legislative mandates. The establishment of BARM stands on the foundation of many years of negotiation, institution building, and the shared pursuit of lasting peace. Yet peace requires continuous attention and endures only when the channels of communication remain open and grounded in mutual respect. The PCBPF was conceived precisely for this purpose. It brings the national and regional legislatures into regular conversation, allowing concerns to be surfaced early, ensuring that measures align with the commitments under the Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro, mindful of the truth that national and regional laws intersect in ways that shape the daily lives of the Filipino people. Each level of government exercises distinct authority, yet both bear responsibility for regional progress and national unity. One important expression of this work is transitional justice. It is in this context that I also filed Senate Bill 532, which proposes the creation of the National Transitional Justice and Reconciliation Commission for the Bangsamoro, which seeks to help build the long-term foundations of healing. The reconstitution of the PCBPF is timely. The Bangsamoro Transition Authority continues to guide the region towards its first regular parliamentary elections, a milestone that will define the institutional future of BARM. As this transition enters a decisive phase, the national government must remain fully engaged, providing BARM the space to strengthen its institutions, while ensuring coherence with the broader national legal framework and offering support with clarity and timeliness whenever it is needed. Having first convened in the 19th Congress, with this representation serving as co-chair leading the Senate panel, the PCBPF must continue its work to allow national legislators to gain clearer insight into the evolving needs of the Bangsamoro, particularly in education, health, social justice, and development programs, thereby strengthening policy decisions that ultimately serve the entire Filipino nation. Esteemed colleagues, the peace process has brought us into a hard-won peace where dialogue guides our steps. Our task is to keep this space open, where the Bangsamoro is engaged with the recognition its history deserves, and where every Filipino benefits from the stability that such a conversation brings. For these reasons, I respectfully urge the adoption of this concurrent resolution. Thank you, Mr. President.